Hello there everyone, and welcome back guys. So today guys we're going to be cleaning one of the most dirtiest part of the car, where dirt gets into and we don't even really know it. So this is the wheel arch, specifically in the front of the car. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to undo the 3 pins that hold the bottom half of the plastic wheel arch. I'll push the pins through. And what I'm doing now is looking for the pin. Unfortunately, this is the easiest, well, fortunately, this is the easiest way to remove the clips. And my first goal is to find the pins. They're stuck somewhere in that dirt, but I did find them eventually. And oh my god, there's so much dirt in the wheel arch. It's just accumulated there over the years. As you can see, it's quite a lot of it. So first thing I did was try to remove as much as I can with my hand, because there's literally chunks of dirt stuck in there. There's a tight little gap on the undercarriage of the car, which actually allowed the dirt to enter the wheel arch. So it's actually, all of this wheel arch is pretty much ventilated. It's hollow, so no wonder that much dirt can get in there through simply the wheel kicking it throughout the whole car undercarriage. And as you can see here, I'm just flushing the whole area here, just to get as much of that loose dirt off with just some a high volume of water. And as you can see, the water started to go through all those ventilated areas. And my goal here is just to flush out, as I said before, as much dirt as possible. And next step will be to grab some chemical, which is Bilt Hamber Surface HD, and just saturate this whole area with as much of this APC as possible. And I'm going to use a brush and a toothbrush as well to sort of try to agitate the APC and get as much of that dirt and grime off. Thankfully there's no corrosion here, just nice factory paint, whatever it is. And here I'm just brushing it in and getting as much of it out. I'm pretty sure there's not that much dirt on the top half of the wheel arch, because it's a bit more isolated. But I'm using a microfiber cloth here, just to get behind the wheel arch, and it is very, very dirty there as well. I'm pouring more and more chemical here to sort of try to get more dirt out. If necessary, just flush it out with the APC. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to rinse it to see how much dirt have I removed. As you can see, it just keeps coming out, falling off. And I might need some additional agitation. And I'm not seeking 100% perfection, just whatever I can reach. And this would really help, because the dirt that I've removed was moist after the car wash, and you really just don't want it to be there. And it really prevented this area to ventilate properly, meaning water wasn't even coming through these areas that you see, where the passenger door side from the inside, it's actually a hollow space, and the water wouldn't come through there before, but now it does. And it's kind of very, very tricky area here in cars. But as you can see, the water starts floating there, and it's actually it's a good thing. And what I'm going to do next as well, on top of that, I will be using the Auto Finesse Lavish, which is a touchless sort of a ceramic wax. It will not be a long-term protection here. The best thing to do here is to add some anti-corrosive spray if you have any, but I didn't have it at the time. So, but anyway, this will have a little bit, and I will be more focused on flushing these areas, even with the wheel arch is in there. And basically, yeah, it actually took me about 20 minutes per wheel arch to clean them out. They're both equally contaminated. But yeah, it's just one of these areas that sort of you can't really reach unless you undo the clips here. But yeah, it's a good thing to do. And as you can see now, the water just is free flowing through all these ventilated areas. Obviously, the best way would be to jack the car up, remove the wheel, remove the whole wheel arch off. But I just didn't have that much time to do it, and it's kind of bugged me a little bit. So I just decided to do it quickly, which is actually better than nothing. Then I used a leaf blower to blow all these areas off. Although I do believe they will still accumulate moist in there. But my goal will be, as I said in the future, properly snow foam the car, specifically in this area. Try to get as much chemical in there and flush those areas out thoroughly, and use the leaf blower again. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So what I will be doing next, putting the clips back and the pins, and obviously putting everything back is a bit easier. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. These areas do get kind of neglected, unfortunately, but it's relatively easy to clean them. Oh, the hardest part was just removing the pins. So thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.